Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a starting soon screen to your Streamlabs setup. This is perfect for creating anticipation and letting your viewers know that your stream is about to begin. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all you have to design a starting soon image, right? Something like this. All right, so I have this designed already using Canva, so you can use software like Canva to make a design like this. So once you have a design like this, the next thing you want to do is to now add a scene. So click on this plus sign and add a new scene. Alright, so after adding a new scene, the next thing you want to do is to add a source. So come over here and click on this plus sign to add a source. So for the source you have to select image source and then click on this add source button. Next you have to click on the add source and then you have to choose the source from your computer, choose the image from your computer. Alright, so I'll click on this browse button and then I will select this image. Click on open, and as you can see right here it's added, so I'll click on done. Next, all I have to do is to just resize this by reducing it just like this so that it can fit on my just like this. So once it's fitted, the next thing you want to do now is to go live. So you can go ahead and click on the go live button and start going live with this starting soon image. Right, so that's how you can add starting soon in Streamlabs. All right, so hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.